on the guest show? We're back with another video and we're finally putting the welds on. Now we're still undecided if we're gonna go with the welds or the 18x11s on this badass giveaway that we got going on. Oh, they're actually right here. They got the tire here ready, mounted and everything. What y'all think? Looks good, right?
It looks actually good. It looks really sporty, you know?
Yeah. So we're gonna be dropping off this truck here. These guys are gonna be mounting the wheels. And I think we're gonna have to go just a little lower because with these wheels, we're gonna have a little gap and we don't like gaps. Big shout out to Mr. Gaps. I forgot about Mr. Gaps, bro. I know y'all haven't seen Gaps in a while. I know y'all missed some. So here he is. ¿Qué onda, pinche viejo lesbiano chingado?
I saw a comment actually earlier today. What's up with Mr. Gas?
Yeah.
Where's he been? He's got the OG truck.
Still got the OG truck. Still not done. Hopefully we'll get it done for 2023. We got so many projects, I forgot about that truck. We were just talking about the OG truck yesterday, so we're gonna be dropping off the truck. This is the front wheel, this is the front tire. We're gonna be dropping the truck off. We're gonna put it on, so y'all stay tuned for what's coming up next. Perfect. We're gonna do a little GoFundMe because Machete, he's trying to get surgery on his legs because they're too skinny, bro. Look at that shit. Oh yeah. I think it looks good. Alright guys, so like I said, this is gonna be like a sample, but I'm already kind of digging the look. Before we get started, once you're done watching the truck, make sure to comment down below if we're gonna keep the 18x11s or these 22 Weld wheels Ventura. We are gonna drop it just a little bit more because we still had a gap with the 18x11, so even if we drop it and if we don't like the wheels, we can still swap them out and go with the 18x11s. But here it is, check it out. Let me know in the comments down below.
¿Cómo estás? Se mira bien, ya ves que está cuadradita.
Sí.
La otra como que salía, ¿no?
Salía mucho, sí, sí, sí. I don't know, Fran, what you think?
It looks real sporty, bro. It looks good.
It's good with the truck, right? ¿Cómo se mira mejor, estos o los 18x11 que traía?
A mí me gusta porque machea con la parrilla, ¿no?
Machea con la parrilla, tiene más negro, se mira más deportiva. La vamos a bajar un poquito más para que quede al ras, ¿entiendes?
Con los otros se mira bien, pero
Sí.
yo pienso, como es Sport, este setup es como Sport, ¿no?
Sí, sí,
Creo
sí,
yo.
sí, está más deportiva.
Sí, tiene colores que machean. A mí me gusta, se mira bonita.
So everybody's rooting for the Weld Ventura. I don't know, what about you, Buffalo?
I like it. It fit the truck real nice. Those wheels are sporty wheels, and it's a sport truck. The
Yeah.
classic 350 Sport, so they go real good with the truck.
And like my boy Von saying, the wheels, they have a little bit of black and the grill is black. The little trim around the wheel is black as well.
It all complements each
It all,
other.
yes, yes. It ain't darker than Alex, but it's dark. You know what I mean? It has a little bit of darkness in it. But the giveaway's looking pretty good. Like I said, every $10 you spend will get you one entry. And we do got some shirts coming. And we do have a badass decal with the little truck that will give you multiple entries. So y'all wait on that. And the first week that we drop it, we're gonna have double the entries for the stickers. Just the first week, and then after that, it'll be just, again, the same, all the way till it ends. We'll be giving this truck away by the end of this month. So y'all stay tuned or get your entries right now because it's gonna be a lucky person whoever checks this truck. And it's a 350 Sport too. It's not just a regular OBS. It's not a clone. It's a real 350 Sport. Y'all guys seen the interior, sound system, welds, brand new paint, badass nut top. All the trim is new. Shit. All we gotta do is put a little muffler on it. Bro, I love doing mufflers on the truck.
love the muffler.
I like doing mufflers, bro. Drop it and a muffler.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's missing.
Machete was on a conference call
With his mom.
with his mom.
Man, I want on the phone with my goddamn mom, baby.
Get your ass home. Didn't
Phone ring and the money being made. But I ain't want to talk about work on camera, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's private life. Out here, baby, I want to see how wet your gonna get with the new wheels, baby. Oh, that looks good, boy. Boy, I ever get out this truck, just step, boy. Just, damn, that looks good, boy. I like that. I like that little touch.
You like it with the 17x11s or you like these better? Which one fits better?
Man, look, bro, I like both. But when you just change it up just a tad bit, I want a truck, dog. It just, Just makes it look real good. Yeah, I like that. I'm a big fan of the Welds too.
He's talking all that shit because he got some welds for the slow ass Mustang.
Yeah, I got the Welds to drag that ass, boy. Damn. Yeah, it looks really good, man. I really like it. That red, boy. That red turns head, baby. Quote unquote, Beto. That's Beto's words.
Everybody was talking on the comments when we were out there in Cali. Your dick was hard, you know what I mean?
No, it wasn't. Well, it's the only thing that wasn't, boy. That blood was flowing, dog. That was a hell of a day. That was a hell of a day and night.
It was a long ass day. People don't understand everything that we did that day, but it was a long ass day.
What time did we wake up? 6 in the morning, and we didn't go to bed till 4 in the morning the next day?
Besides that, whenever we put up to Compton, it was like 1 in the morning, right? That same day.
Because we left from San Luis, Obispo, whatever, like at...
It was like 8 o'clock. By the time we left the hotel, it was about 8.
Yeah, because we went to the hotel after the Hoonigans and we took a shower, you know, to freshen up, and then we still drove 3.5 hours. So, and we pulled up literally straight to the street.
Baby, we pulled up and we did a motherfucking thing, but we...
What's up, Chop? 2 days in a row we're blessed.
I know.
Chop's pressing.
For real.
You don't see that very often.
You don't.
You don't. That boy making all that money every day. He took a couple of days off because he already got too much money.
Shit. Must be nice.
Uncle Sam take too many texts on him. He's employed over here, so paying cash. What's up? Not a lot of difference between this and that.
Nah, man, it's like this, dog. The pot that's gonna come out this bitch.
How's it looking?
Go for what? You wanna see where you spend your money? Where I spend all your money? Hey, we got a mess, Frank. Please, Frank, edit out all the trash, bro. We're working around the clock, bro.
Where's all the trash at?
No, I'm talking about the whole fucking shop.
Bro, it looks the same. Like always.
It does. You're right. We work, bro. We're working.
Alright guys, so we finally made it to Pasadena. Like I said, OTM is going down next weekend coming up. Not this weekend, but next weekend. October 15th. Save the date. Buy your tickets online. If you buy your tickets online, you're going to save you about $5 to $10. Or how much is it, Frank?
Yeah, if you buy them online, you'll save $5. And then you can also buy your parking pass. If not, you can park for free on the other gate.
We're literally on the OTM crunch. We picked this truck up yesterday from Corpus Christi, which is the Crawfish. And then we got the Gangbang in the back. Gangbang is a brand new setup. Whoa.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Both of them are brand new setups. This one because we did the whole suspension again, front and back. And this one, we took apart Crackhead and we put everything from Crackhead on Gangbang. But we got a little surprise for you. Crackhead is gonna be at the track and it's gonna be there with the new motor. It's a brand new setup, you know what I mean? And it's gonna be just a little bit faster than what it was before. And if you want the smoke, pull up. So we're here with Gangbang, Crawfish, and it's not looking too good. Like literally we're like a week away. And I mean, this one got a brand new setup. They're putting the transmission. We still need drive shafts, wiring, fuel system, piping, turbo kit, because the turbo kit don't work because of the bars, because of the roll cage. So it's kind of like, are we gonna make it or not, bro? I've been talking all that shit, you know, and everybody's gonna hold me against that because they think like, oh, I'm at the stock of shit. He thinks he's all that, blah, 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 blah. But it's all promotion for my show. And if you're smart enough, you know what I'm talking about. And y'all would be doing the same thing. But since y'all not in my shoes, y'all don't know what the fuck.
They could just talk shit.
Yeah, so what do we got going on here, bro? What do we need to finish this truck? And how fast is it gonna be?
It might be easier, bro, to say what we have done. The motor's in it.
Okay.
Truck's wired.
Okay.
It did turn on about 20 minutes ago. We did turn it on.
Okay.
Without the transmission, so we're
And
getting...
today's Thursday.
Yeah.
So by tomorrow, this video drops, so it'll be Friday. So we're literally a week away. So, I mean, I know everybody's trying to get ready for that show, but I think we are the ones that are backed up the most. you know,
Yeah.
because these builds are brand new. We still gotta finish them. We still gotta test them. We still gotta get them ready for the show. For sure, they'll be out there, right?
We're gonna make them. We've been busting ass the last couple days. We've been busting ass on them. They're really close. I know a lot of people, bro. A lot of people have been going to church. They're hoping and praying we don't get them done.
Okay.
But y'all motherfuckers in trouble. We showing up. We're gonna have them. How fast? I think we'll be able to go fast enough.
Fast enough.
I don't think we're able to get all the weenies out of it, but man, it'll.
As long as we run faster than what I was running before. Which was fast. You know what I mean? But the thing is here, these trucks are gonna be super fast once we test them and everything. But like I said, we only have not even a week. You know what I mean?
Hold up, bro. I don't like this Beto, bro.
Why not, bro?
I need the cocky Beto, bro.
No, yeah.
I need you to motivate us. You gotta go and call out everybody, talk shit to everybody, so that it's pressure on us. It's game time. Talk shit, bro. Fuck the motherfucker. We're coming to fuck everybody up.
Oh, say less.
All right, this is gonna fuck everybody up. Come to the back real quick. You know what I mean? I was trying to be nice to y'all and everything, but just took a little sneak peek in here, bro. Just real quick, bro. Just come down real quick. You know what I mean? Look at this stuff, bro.
Peeks real quick.
Y'all gonna get cracked by crawfish. If y'all were scared of crawfish back then, which was already fast,
Oh yeah, it had the record.
it was on real low boost.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. And so you want to give a breakdown? We're not really gonna tell everybody what we did.
Yeah.
So we did end up pulling the motor back out. We realized the valve train wasn't quite happy. I think some people did notice it in the RPM. I think in Hinton, people realized that the RPM, the gears were kind of ran out. So we realized the valve train wasn't happy. And Hinton, and since then we haven't ran the truck. We took the motor back out, went through the whole valve train. We put a bigger cam.
Okay.
Ported the heads, port matched the intake, and we're hoping to pick up a few hundred horsepower on the same boost level.
Oh shit. Okay.
So we're gonna have that plus now more boost.
Besides the suspension.
And then we did lose. You know, we're hoping, I'll just be conservative, let's say a couple 100 pounds.
Okay.
We went 4-link.
Uh-huh.
So that's another deal where it's gonna give us.
We already had a ladder bar in the back, so now we went 4-link and we cut a little bit of weight. So, I mean, the truck is looking real good. My boy here is really confident about the build, and hopefully we can make it out there to the track and crack everybody's ass.
We got some bad motherfuckers, bro. The motherfucker building this motor, bro, is one of the best. Nicer's the one doing it.
Okay.
Nicer and Dan, them dudes are bad, bro. They're proven. They built all the Flacco's motors, Mona Lisa's, Toxics, you know, all those guys that proven to go fast with LS. Durley's, they built Durley's motor.
And then we got Jason doing the suspension.
All the suspension, he killed it, bro.
He's real good at no prep, right?
Yeah, he does no prep. I've seen people ask, Skinny Man is known for radio prep.
A lot of these racers don't know the difference.
And there's a big difference. I don't want to get to all the details. It's a long process, and I don't want to bore Frank and everybody. But Skinny Man is our radio guy. Anything radio, he's a fucking badass when it comes to that. Jason is the more than no crawfish. We're going to the track, but we really built it to shine more on the street.
Yes.
And no prep.
Yeah.
So that's Jason's forte. I mean, it's asphalt is all he races on. So he kind of leading the build on this one, and then the other ones are radio.
When you get real technical in the racing world, there's a lot of different categories. You got the small tire, 275, 315, big tire, ladder bar, 4-link. You got no prep, you got radio prep, you got slick prep. I mean, once you get into the racing scene, it's real big. Like, not every truck is in the same category. So like the race in California with the other red truck, you had a big tire. And normally, if you pull up with that big tire to the track and you want to run a class, they won't let you. They're gonna go
run Birdman.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, oh, go run with the big tire, which is Birdman, Ryan Martin, Mike Morello, all them dudes with the big tires. So it's kind of dumb to do a big tire on a truck, because if you want to take it to a class, you can't run nobody. They won't let you run it. Not even at that. When you got a big tire, it should be fast.
You need the power to fucking spin that big tire. You need at least 2,000 horsepower.
And that's the weird part. I don't want to
Yeah, I know you got like 1,000. Yeah, I know.
How do you knock the tire, bro, with that big ass tire, bro? How do you knock the tire off with that big ass tire?
Put too much nitrous.
Come on, bro. It might make 1,000 horsepower. He needs to spray that hole in the damn burnout box just to do a burnout. Chill.
Burnout truck?
But no, back to OTM. Man, we're excited. I really think it's gonna get really good. And we have a lot to do in a little amount of time, a little amount of testing. I get the converter right, I get the gears right. We talked about tires. We're considering what tires, what shock settings do you run all the way around.
It's complicated. Once you get this technical, it's real complicated, and everything has to be perfect. Everything has to work together. You know what I mean?
Yes.
With the shocks, with the weight, with the tires, the tune, the two-step. I mean, everything matters here, and that's why we bring the trucks over here at Pasadena, because these guys get the job done the right way. And not only that, but we got Pasadena, we got Flacco, we got Jason, we got Skinny Man. So it's a big ass team, and there's some heavy hitters. We're not just fucking with anybody. We're fucking with the heavy hitters.
Team.
Yes, pretty much. So pretty much it's like a lot of teams, and then you got the best player from each team.
Yeah.
Here and here and here. Put them all together, and you create a monster like this one.
I am inevitable.
And you create a monster like this one. So these trucks are sisters. Gangbang, Crawfish. This one has a different setup. This one has a different type of motor. This one has an aluminum motor. This one has a cast. This one has 4-link. This one has ladder bar. So they're both different, but they're similar at the same time.
Same, but different. But still same.
Yeah, and one of the advantages on that one, it's, bro, Crackhead was dialed in.
Yeah.
The tune on that thing is ready to go. 30 pounds of boost, let's go. Off the first rip, Tito, let's go with that button or whoever, it's 30 pounds of boost.
Crackhead was running mid-force. For all you guys, you didn't know, because we were trying to keep that a secret, because when we show up to the races, then we got fast cars that want to call us out. So that truck was a mid-4 truck in the 1/8 of a mile. So y'all can only imagine how fast this was going to go. Now this was not going to go mid-4s because this was a lot heavier and it's a 4-wheel drive. It works different, but it's supposed to be still fast.
No, we expect to go fast. Yeah, I mean, we can't go too fast.
Yeah.
But no, I'm joking. We're gonna stretch them out, man, and we're gonna push, man. There's some fast 4-wheel drive guys here locally.
Yes.
They push us. Let's
They're all-
be real.
I think they're all here.
Yeah, the Fords push us hard, man. They're right there. They're really pushing us to go faster. But man, we got two bad motherfuckers here, man. I feel sorry, and I told you this, man, a million times. Like, whoever draws your chip, bro, they're gonna go back to their computer and up. Everything they got, they're gonna throw it at us.
That's what I like. Turn it up, man, because if not, this bitch gets down. It goes from A to B every time. Well, it used to go, and we're
will
hoping
go.
it does the same thing once it's
You
done.
just got a lot more power. It's easy when you don't have a lot of power, bro. You just throw everything.
Yeah.
That's all you got. But when you got a ridiculous amount of power,
You gotta play it
then
right.
you have to, exactly, you have to bring it in. Power management is everything.
Yeah.
So
5 pounds here, and then 10 here, and then 15 here at the 330, and then at the 60, and then that's how you go. That's how you do a good power management. If you just turn it up all the way, you're gonna see the trucks doing this. If you see it do this, they're not tuning it right. So we got this bad motherfucker here, and of course this one. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the back. This one got a ladder bar. So this is the setup that we kind of had on Crawfish before, right?
yes,
My boy Skinny Man did this one. This is the first 4x4 that he builds. Even Jason, that's the first 4x4 that he builds on that one, right?
Yes.
These guys are pretty much just trying it out. You know what I mean? Trying out the system. I mean, these guys got it dialed in 2-wheel drive cars, but when you take a truck and you want to make this motherfucker fast, it's difficult. So my boy Skinny Man did some ingenuity back here.
The cage is down low. You have the cage under the bed, under
Yes.
the window. So when you put everything back on, it's gonna be tucked real nice and clean. The same way Crawfish was.
Yeah.
Tito has the same wing. It'll be an air launcher, same wing, fiberglass bumper, tailgate. Pretty much the same works.
Pretty much the same thing, like I said, the same setup, but there's just a little different. Each truck has something different. This one should be as fast as Crawfish, and hopefully we can make it all the way to the end with this one. If not, we need to come back, regroup, and do something about it.
I wish we had more time, but I'm confident. I believe in my team, man.
There you go. That's
Some
what I
bad
like to-
motherfuckers.
That's what I like to hear. So yeah, like I said, OTM is going down next weekend, and we're on that OTM crunch. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. We're gonna leave these guys here to work. We are going to JTX tomorrow, so that's gonna be a pretty fun day. So y'all stay tuned for tomorrow. We're finally gonna get some big wheels for the haulers, the 450 and the Denali. We're gonna be taking both of the trucks over there. They're gonna give us a little shop tour, install the wheels, come back. And remember, guys, we got the giveaway. I need y'all to comment down below. Are we keeping the welds? Are we putting back the 18x11s? Me personally, I like the welds a little bit better. It fits the truck a little bit more. At the end of the day, one of you lucky viewer is gonna be taking that truck home. Are we doing a cash option, bro?
We could do a cash option.
Yeah, we could do 25,000. 25,000 on the truck. Shop on thegas.com, get your entries before it's too late. Let's go.